Hey guys, if you want to use your Cash App balance to order food on Doordash without transferring money back to a traditional bank account, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App step by step. Okay, so firstly, how to link Cash App Pay directly so you can pay straight from your Cash App balance. So for that you head into your profile settings and select Payment Methods. Scroll down under Digital Wallets and select Cash App Pay. You will automatically be redirected to Cash App, tap Authorize to link your accounts. And then you just enter your Cash App PIN or just use Touch ID to confirm the connection. Once approved, Cash App Pay will instantly set and display as an active payments option, allowing you to check out instantly using your Cash App balance or linked debit card. And what if you prefer using your physical or virtual Cash App Visa debit card instead? Under Payment Methods, select Credit or Debit Card, enter your 16-digit Cash App card number, expiration date, and CVC from the back of the card. Make sure your billing postcode matches the address registered on your Cash App account so the security check passes smoothly. And then when placing your order, simply just select your Cash App card or Cash App Pay at checkout, and the total will be deducted directly from your available balance. So these are the steps, guys. Pretty simply done. Enjoy.